Hello everyone, welcome back again to our summary video of chapter number 9, movements in the body. Let us check the mind map of the chapter. So movement, that one of the characteristic features of living organism in their ability to show some or other kind of movement. Animals can move their hand, animals can nod their head, they can change their place, but plants are fixed, they cannot change their place. The types of movement where a living organism can change their place we call locomotion. Different types of animals are doing different types of movement. So in this chapter, first we have learned the different movement of different living organism for earthworm, snail, cockroach, fish, bird, snake and human being. Next we have learned about the human skeleton. In this topic we have learned skull, ribcage, spine, limbs and joints. Next we have learned the importance of X-ray. The earthworm has elongated body with no bones and limbs. Its body has many ring-like structure that have muscles. It moves from one place to another place with the help of those muscles. Snail. A snail has slimy body without bones and a shell for protection. The snail moves with the help of a muscular organ known as foot. It makes wave-like motion by expanding and contracting the muscular organ foot. Cockroach. In the middle part of cockroach bears 2 pairs of wings and 3 pairs of joint legs for movement. Cockroach have a unique style to move. They use their 3 legs at a time to move from one place to another place. Fish. The body of fish specially designed for swimming, which we call streamlined body. When they are swimming, they are using their fins and it helps them to change the direction and balance their body while swimming. They are using the tail fin to push them forward in water. Next, birds. Most birds can fly. In addition, they can run, hop and swim also. Birds have streamlined body which help them to move in the air easily. The bones of most birds are hollow, which keep them lightweight and fit for flying. Birds with heavy bodies such as emu, penguin, ostrich cannot fly. Snake. They have long and strong backbone and interconnected muscles that are joined the backbone and ribs. Snakes usually move in wave-like motion and press against the soil with the help of scales to push forward. Now, we like human being, we walk, run, jump from one place to another. We eat, talk, laugh, and by moving our hand and mouth. The skeleton and muscles are involved in both movement and locomotion. The skeleton is the framework formed by bones of our body. The skeleton of a normal adult human is made up of 206 bones. Skull. The skull comprises of the bones of the face and head region. It protects our brain and also have holes for the eyes, nose and ears. Ribcage. The bones present in our chest are curved flat, thin and forming a cape-like structure which we called ribcage. Ribcage help to protect our important organ such as heart, lungs, stomach and kidneys, backbone and spine. This long, hard and uneven structure is that backbone. It's also known as spine or vertebral column. It runs from the base of the skull to lower back and forms the central supporting rod for the skeleton. Limbs. We have two types of limbs. First is forelimbs or arms and hind limbs or legs. There are one long bone in the upper arm which we call humerus, and the lower arm has two bones called radius and ulna. The longest bone in our body is femurs or thigh bone. The lower leg consists two bones, the tibia and fibula. Joints. A joint is a place at which two bones meet and join together by ligament and covered by cartilage. Based on the movement of joint, they are divided in three categories. Immovable joint, example skull. Slightly movable joint, example backbone. And freely movable joint, example hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Muscles are attached to the two bones by the tissue called tendon. It works in pairs. The muscles called flexor contracts and pulls the tendon to bend a joint. When it relaxes, the other muscle called extensor pulls another tendon to straighten the same joint. Flexor and extensor are a pair of muscles work together to move our arm. Now, the importance of X-ray. What is X-ray, children? It is possible to see the image of bones in a living being using radiation known as X-ray. X-rays are special rays that can pass through the soft tissue but not through the bones. Hence, an image is created that reveals the nature of the bones. Dear students, already we have finished this chapter in our online session along with the variety of activities. So please practice the chapter. Stay safe, keep learning. Thank you for watching this video.